sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is one of the most important chemical in the world. It's widely it is called as a king of chemicals. It's called as a king of chemicals. King of chemicals. It is very strong acid. So preparation method. Preparation. Lead chamber method also it is prepared. The lead chamber method is a homogeneous process, but nowadays it is prepared by contact process. Lead chamber process is older and very important is nowadays preparing from contact process. So we will discuss about contact process now. This process is a heterogeneous process. Heterogeneous process. In this method, there are 3 steps are involved. Three steps are involved. In the step 1, the preparation of sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide is prepared by burning of sulfur to form sulfur dioxide gas. Burning of sulfur. Otherwise, other method also there for preparation. In contact method, majorly from roasting of iron pyrites. This is the iron pyrite ore. This is the iron pyrite ore. This is upon roasting. Roasting means burning with oxygen. Roasting. Iron pyrite upon roasting. Roasting means burning of the ore in the presence of oxygen. Will get to sulfur dioxide. This is the first method. Majorly from iron pyrites roasting process will get to sulfur dioxide. In step 2, this formed sulfur dioxide gas again passed through the air containing oxygen. In the presence of catalytic chamber means V2O5. This is act as a catalyst. This is a solid. These are gases. This is a solid and form sulfur dioxide gas. So this is the reversible reaction. Here delta H is negative. Negative means exothermic process. In contact process, the step 2 is very important. Here sulfur dioxide gas is passed through the air in a catalytic chamber. It is a solid. V2O5 is the catalyst. It forms a sulfur dioxide gas. This step is a exothermic step. So to formation of, this is the reversible reaction, to formation of more sulfur dioxide according to Le Chatelier principle, the favorable conditions for SO3 formation. Number 1, high pressure. If we apply the high pressure to this equilibrium, more SO3 is formed according to Le Chatelier principle. So high pressure means approximately 2 bar pressure. 2 bar pressure is required. And second one, low temperature is favor according to Le Chatelier principle, but moderate temperature approximately 720 Kelvin is required. So these are the conditions. Next, step Step 3. Step 3. In the step 3, this formed sulfur trioxide is absorbed by the sulfuric acid. Sulfur trioxide gas passed through the sulfuric acid chamber. Sulfuric acid chamber absorbed by sulfuric acid. This sulfur trioxide gas is passed through the sulfuric acid containing chamber. Sulfuric acid containing chamber. This is the liquid. Now it forms oleum H2S2O7. This is called oleum. Oleum is a this oleum upon diluting with water. Oleum is diluting with water. Finally forms H2SO4. This formed H2SO4 is in this contact process. The formed H2SO4 is 97% pure. 97% pure. 97% pure H2SO4 is formed in a contact process. This sulfuric acid you see is a very strong acid. Its properties if you see. So boil freezing point, melting point is for this is 280. Boiling point is 610 Kelvin, and the freezing point is 283 Kelvin, and specific gravity is 1.84 grams per ml. Next, this sulfur, it is very well soluble in water. It is soluble in water. This process means soluble in water. This process is highly exothermic process. This process, that means solubility in water. This process is exothermic process. Highly exothermic means more liberation of heat energy. Exothermic process. So that's why when adding sulfuric acid to the water, we have to take care. In such case, note this point. Here the two processes for dilution of sulfuric acid. There is two processes. Either H2SO4 added to water or water added to H2SO4, which is a correct one. Okay, that means in this case, correct process means addition of H2SO4 to the water slowly is a right process or good process. Good process for dilution of H2SO4. That means H2SO4 should be slowly added to the concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 slowly added to the water is a good process, but not water added to the sulfuric acid. Next, this sulfuric acid is less volatile. It is less volatile. H2SO4 is less volatile liquid. So by using this, we can prepare high volatile liquids from this. So from this, we can prepare prepare high volatile liquids. High volatile liquids. High volatile liquids.